Louisiana Gardening family. We're doing an update on our seed tape. I looked at our last video. It was January the 20th when we planted this, and today is February the 6th. I think these, they're supposed to germinate between 14 to 21 days. And I think at like that 14th day, they really started germinating. I didn't know it. I was getting a little discouraged reading some of the videos, thinking, man, they cost $4 a piece, so it was like $8. So it's kind of discouraging. Everybody was saying that they was having a bad time with them. So I was talking to one of the, I guess texting back and forth with one of the subscribers, and I told him, I said, man, I'm gonna have to go outside and have a talk with these things. So the next day I came outside and I kind of got right here and I was like, all right, y'all. They saying that y'all not gonna do much, y'all not gonna do nothing, but y'all already know what's gonna happen around here. Like, you know, so yeah, it was a little conversation. Like, I need y'all to start coming out. I need y'all to start growing. And so I started looking, and I started looking close, and I started seeing something. I'm gonna show you. So then I went inside to get Belle, and I mean, I didn't see anything over here anywhere. And then when Bells came out, she was like, what are those? She was like, that's the beets coming out. So they're starting to come out too. There's 280 seeds in the carrots. So even with 50% germination, that's still 140 carrots. So there's no way you can go and get 140 carrots for $4. So let me show you.
What is she talking on the phone?
She talking on the phone for? Say hello.
On the phone, huh?
Let me see, Z. So what we've gotten here, and I'm probably gonna start putting a little bit. Let me see if I can. You see these right here, and they're starting to come out. All along, and I'm guessing it's at about right now every so many inches. Some of this weeds, that's weeds. These are the carrots. Let me show you right here. And they're coming out. I don't know what the rate is. I wouldn't rate them. But then look at these beets. I'm gonna cut all these leaves out to make sure they don't stop. But look at the rate, the germination rate on the beets. You can see them. And that's with 2 weeks. And they're pretty much all the way down. Right here it kind of slows a little bit, and I'm thinking that's because of, looks like right here something has ate one of them. Look at that. Let me put my finger so I can find it with the camera. Look at that. Something has ate the leaves off of that one. So probably start putting down a little neem oil maybe already. But you can see them all the way down. So that's with 2 weeks. So I'm excited about that. I like to leave these on the buck char and the pock char just for the bees to come in and start working. Get them excited about being on the property in the neighborhood. Actually put some grits down for some ants as well. Started seeing some ants up in here. But that's the update on the carrots, on the seed tape. Still not ready to give them a thumbs up yet, but it's looking good. So maybe they got some fresh seeds out there. I don't know, but they're looking good right here. This is the first seeds that we've actually started outside. So we're excited about that, right? Miss Beverly. Yeah, so in the words of Beverly, I was screaming at these things too. I get excited when I come out. I kind of mess with them a little bit. I think they like that when you just like scream, grow, grow, grow. Peace.